What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some loaded baked potatoes. Ooh, loaded and baked. Now, there's two of my favorite things. So let's get the party started, shall we? Come on, man. That's right, baby. Loaded baked potatoes. An easy meal that's gonna be great, baby. Loaded with all kinds of shit. We got some green onions that I've already got cut up, some French onion dip, bacon bits, and some cheddar cheese. And last but not least, the potatoes, baby. Now I went ahead and baked these potatoes, and when I say bake, I mean I put them in the microwave because you know me. I ain't got time for that shit, boy. Never. It'll take you less time in the microwave, and it's gonna taste just the damn same. But you know what? If you want to go ahead and put them in the oven, you go ahead. Shit, you got some time, go for it, baby. Now, these potatoes that I got here today, I kind of intended on doing a little different thing. I wanted to get some big old potatoes and just kind of split them a little bit and keep them all intact, and then stuff shit down in the middle of them. But your old boy Black Hour, you know me. I got in that store. I got in a hurry. Got some potatoes that are, not as big as I want them to be, but it's alright because it's going to taste just the same and we're going to make it work. So instead of kind of, boring them out like a big old potato canoe, we're going to cut them in half and kind of do the same thing. I'll show you what I'm talking about right now. Now, like I said, we've got these baked or microwave. We went ahead and cut them in half and kind of let them cool. Make sure that you let them cool, because if you don't, you're going to burn the shit out of yourself. Believe you me. Ask me how I know. My fingers. I get the Men in Black fingers. You know when he put his fingers on that shit? Woo! Damn! So, got our potatoes cut. And the way that you can tell these potatoes are done and ready to go when they come out of the microwave is you stick a old fork in them. And if the fork goes down there smooth, then you know that it's done. That's where the old saying comes from, Stick a fork in me, I'm done, sir. So, when we're done forking around, we'll go ahead and take these potatoes, and what we're going to try to do is delicately hollow them out. Now, you don't have to take everything out of here because you kind of want to leave that shape. You want to leave the shape so you have a little boat to put everything back in. Now, see what I did? I just cracked it, boy. Messed it up, but that's fine. We'll go ahead and put it in there anyway. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Good enough, right? Let's try another one and see if we can fuck that up, too. Put that in there, harder than it looks. Be very gentle. Like I said, that's why you don't want to try to worry about getting everything out of there, because you're going to fuck them up like I just did. Can't believe I did that. And I would do it right when I'm sitting here talking to you, trying to look like Joe Cool, huh? That's alright, baby. Live and learn. That's what it's all about. I'm not claiming to be Gordon Ramsay's ass. I'm just regular old me. But I can make some good shit. I'll tell you that much right now. That one's a little better. See what I'm talking about? So just work at it a while, and once you get your goddamn potatoes out of there, you're gonna work at it, let me tell you. Woo, nothing but hard work, y'all. Get them in the bowl, and once we've got our potatoes all scooped out and in the bowl, then we will go ahead and start adding our other ingredients. First thing that I want to add in here today is some French onion dip. Now, you can use sour cream. Actually, the recipe that I saw calls for sour cream. But you know what? French onion dip's got the same consistency, and it's going to give us a really good flavor. So, we're going to take some of that, and we're going to plop it right down in there, aren't we? Ooh. Next, take some of our green onions. We've already got these chopped up and diced. Looking real nice. Don't put a whole lot in there because we want to save some for the garnishment. And I'm not talking about when they take money out of your check because you didn't pay the light bill. I'm talking about the shit you put on top to make it look fancy schmancy. Green onion. Next, the bacon. Same deal here. You can cook yourself some fresh bacon if you want to, but me, I ain't got time today. So, got some bacon pieces, real bacon pieces, and we've used these before, haven't we, buddy boy? So, sprinkle, sprinkle. Looks good. Next thing you can do is get some shredded cheese. Today we got sharp cheddar because you know what? I had that left over from the last few episodes, so why not just roll with it, baby? And here again, going to be another garnishment. So, We don't want to put too much in the bowl. We're just going to put some in there just to kind of give it a little creamy texture, and then we'll put some more on top. Now, got all that stuff in there. We're going to go ahead and mix her up. And then we are going to take our potatoes that we have gutted out, and we will start putting this shit back. Ooh! So, scoop some of this out. Now you want to kind of mash and mix real good. You want it to have a fine consistency, sir, like kind of a mashed potato. It'll make it good. So, go ahead and get that shit done, and we'll go ahead and put it back in our little potato boat. Ooh, 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 looky. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. If you didn't see that first one, you might think I know what I'm doing. So, damn. All right. So, now we've got these done. We've got them filled. Let's add the garnish. The garnish. Woo! Little bit of these green onion. Little bit of that shredded cheese. Little bit of that bacon. Ooh, yeah. Good stuff. Looking good to me. So now we're going to go ahead and put these back in the microwave for about 2-3 minutes. Just enough to melt the cheese. And by the time that that's done, we'll be ready to have a big old bite. But before we do, we're going to stand back in delight at these loaded baked potatoes. Woo. All right, baby, the time has come. The loaded baked potato is done, and I'm having the first bite for me after I have a drink of this. That purple stuff, like Big Mo had, that purple stuff, purple stuff. This is good shit, man. Just tried this today. Ooh, just found it today. So, without further ado, let's have a bite or two. Ah, man, this looks wonderful. Actually turned out really good. My only advice to you, if you're doing this at home, would be make sure you get a bigger potato, because it's going to be a lot easier. So. That's loaded with flavor. I think tonight I might have 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4! Yeah. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time, baby.